And we've done the Brayford. Hi guys, we're at Newland, East Level Crossing in Worcester with Pro 5. And if I remember correctly, this should be for our London Midland service from Birmingham New Street to Hereford. And of course we are still in the rain. Sorry about the excessive lens wiping. Anyways, here she is. Yep, London Midland to Hereford. And we've got £175.12. £175.12 to Hereford and up we go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in, I think, next week's videos.